Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? We got another juicy one here. Hey, this is a juicy one. Okay. Obviously they're getting a new one. They have ran out of band-aids for this job and this door. We're gonna come up here to show you some other stuff. There's the rest of the door right there. Vice gripped up there, the other couple panels, and what I'll probably do for this, I'm going to try and set the camera up in the back there and just show you how we get this thing out of here. This thing is a total roach. What do you think, we're going to cut it in half, or
yes,
kill the tension, just cut it in half and pull it out?
Yes.
Okay, that's what we're going to do. So first thing, cable's good, spring's good, track's good, section's not good. So let's back wind it first before you do that. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, back wind it. And then we'll go from there. Is there another way to, is that door open in the front?
I didn't look in that far yet.
Let's go see if we can.
Oh yeah, it's open. I don't know if this is open.
Well, the door, it should be. Yeah, we're good. Nice seat. Alright. Ooh, pennies. Alright, let me get in here. And we will see if we can set this camera up so you can see this kind of working here. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, there we go, right like that. Alright, we're gonna get to work. Give me
You want the slider in there for you?
No. Down yet?
It is down.
Alright, that's back wound. Got sawzall?
Yes.
The sawzall with a wood blade. Much pipe. We'll do something with those real fast.
Yes.
Yeah, this thing is a total turd, man. Start working on getting them cables off. There's that. I don't know how good that top panel really is. No, I can't. You're gonna have to chop now at the barn way. Get them cables off. Let's go. What are you doing? Don't cut them. Get the thing off. We're reusing them. What are you doing, man? That's that. Try to get that thing out of there. Turd. Alright, he's working on getting these cables off. Those hodgepodge bottoms they made. We're going to take those off. And then we're going to put in a new truck door here because that's the dealio. This thing is an absolute roach. This one's pretty bad. I thought that last one was bad. This one's pretty bad too. Look at that. I don't know how these guys drive around with this trying to lift this thing up, man. I mean, when the truck doors are in this poor of shape, you are causing your guys to work harder, and it's dangerous too. So in turn, you're actually losing money because of the unsafe condition of the truck door. So it's in your best interest to get it. Here, I got it. Bring it up so you can pound that thing out with a hammer. Oh, here. That's one. Get that thing out of here. Just throw it on the ground for now. I'll help you throw it in a dumpster. You got it?
I got it.
Careful. Go up your knife. Oh, you mutt. Tough little bottom, ain't it? Hi. Throw it on the ground. Get that out. We're going to be ending this video right now because the red light's on. Thanks for watching. We'll show you part 2 of the new one. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. El garbage. Get this thing out of here. Watch out. And that's how you get rid of a truck trailer door. Be careful out there. God bless you. Woo, man. It's one of my ace guys right here. Puts up with all my monkey business. He's actually a saint in disguise too. You guys didn't know that. Both of my guys are in my office staff. They're all saints. Oh, we should have just brought some Sawzall blades up here. Well, look at that. We made the 10-minute mark too on this video. Still going. Look at that. El Rocho. Here, I'll bring you in the shop real quick. I'll show you the new one. I got enough time on the video here. I don't know if the card's going or the battery. There's a new one. All right. We'll see you on the next video, man. Take care.